Open it up.
Help Daddy.
Come on. Isabella.
She's busy with the bow.
Is that your favorite gift?
Come here.
Isabella.
Come here.
Come here. She loves this bow. You're funny. You're funny. Now come over here and open up this gift. Look. Look. You ready? Look who's in the box, honey. Who is it? Where's his nose? Yeah, where's his hand? Right here? Did you turn it off? Push his heart. Push the button. Isabella. Can you give him a hug? Give him a hug. Aww.
Say thank you.